Hello, I'm Jerry from LED Bulbs 123. Today we'll talk about how to choose and use the solder-free connectors for LED strip lights. As you know, strip lights is used very popular today for so many applications like the under cabinet lights, accent decoration, and for the halo light for the TV and the monitors. But after you make the cut, how to use the rest or how to join the cutted piece together. So I think the soldering is a good idea, but maybe you are lack of soldering experience or you don't have the soldering tools. So the solder-free clip-on connectors is a good choice for you. There are two types of pigtails you can use to connect the cutted flexible LED strip lights to the power source. One is a clip-on connector to the open wires. Another one is the most popular one is a clip-on connector to the female connectors. Okay, so like how come I can use the rest? So let me open the cover and insert the strip light. Sometimes it's a little bigger. You can use scissors to trim it a little bit. Close it and plug in the power. If you want to make a straight joint, you can use this type of connector. Okay, then close to the two cover. Here you hear the click, and then see. If you want to make a 90-degree connection, no problem. Choose this connector and you can make a left turn like this, or turn this way, you can make a right turn. Okay, if you want to join two pieces of cutted LED strip light but keep some distance, you can use this clip-to-clip jumper. That is often used in the kitchen under cabinet lights project. Okay, my friend, you may ask where to buy. LEDbulbs123.com. We have everything you need for your LED project. Wires, accessory, extension cable, rocket switch, we stock for you, US and Canada. Thanks for watching.